Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction. Home Love Construction is a Tampa-based design build company. We specialize in renovations. In this video, I want to answer the question, can I use USB style outlets in my walls? The short answer is yes. In most applications, you can use the USB style outlets in your walls. Now, there's a couple caveats to this. One, I have not seen what's called GFI, which is ground fault circuit interrupter. Wow, that was good. I've not seen the GFI version of the USB outlets. I'm sure they exist, but I have not seen them. You do have to use those in wet applications like a kitchen near your kitchen sink. So keep that in mind that you may need those in your kitchen. So consult your local electrician for those. But in most applications like just wall outlets, or on an island or something like that where there's not water in the immediate area, yes, you can use the USB outlets. There's absolutely no issue with them at all. You just have to request them at the time of actually doing the install and realize that most renovation companies or electricians are not going to include those in the cost of a replacement. And also just realize that those outlets are probably about 5 times more expensive than a normal outlet, but you're talking $5 versus $25. The electrician is probably going to have some sort of a markup on that because they're going to have to go and buy it, make sure it's right, warranty it, blah, blah, blah. That obviously isn't a free service. So just realize that you're going to pay more than the $25 than you see it listed for. But having it installed properly is really nice because then if it's near a desk or something, you just go and plug straight into the wall. If you lose your brick, it doesn't even matter. Really nice feature to have. So I do recommend it. Now, if you have questions about a renovation project in the Tampa Bay area, please use us as your resource. You can actually start the design process on your specific renovation that you've been wanting to do for 5, 10, 15, 20 years. We do design build, which means we'll help you to design it, then we'll help you to build it. Go to homelove.construction/design in order to get started designing your project right now. Go do it. Click the link. homelove.construction/design. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. See you in the next vid. Peace.